According to the question, first comes your sender's address. Now, nowhere in the question it is mentioned about the address of the sender. So, what we can do is we can write ABC Colony XYZ City. Or else, another option is that you can also write down Examination Hall. Both the forms are correct. Or the third form, you can imagine an address and write it down. Write down an imaginary address on your own. Make sure name of the city will come at the end and in 2 lines only. After that, you leave a line. Then you write down the date. Date will always be written in this format, 4 April 2020. The month is always written in words. It is not written in numbers. After this, we leave a line. Then we write down the receiver's address, the director, first designation, then name of the company, and then name of the city. The director, Surya Coaching Center, Chandigarh. This detail was given in the question. So according to the question we've written. After this, we leave a line and then we write down the subject. Enquiry about IIT JEE coaching classes. Only this much. You just need to give a brief detail as to what you want to ask. Make sure nowhere I have used a punctuation mark. It is only after in the subject, after I complete a sentence I have used. After classes I have used a full stop. Rest in sender's address, date, receiver's address, I haven't used any punctuation mark. So you are also not supposed to do that. As well as in salutation, dear sir oblique madam, you will not use a comma. I begin. This is with reference to your advertisement in the Indian Express for IIT JEE coaching classes. I have appeared for my class 10th board examination and I am waiting my result. I am waiting for my result. I am keen on joining your institute for the coaching classes. I would like to know about the duration of the coaching program and frequency of classes per week. Information regarding fee structure, study material, hostel facility, etc. is also required. Kindly let me know about the procedure of applying for the screening test and also the date of the test. Now, first was the introductory paragraph, and in the second paragraph, after I leave a line, I change the paragraph. Okay. In this, I have described as to what details I need. In the third paragraph, we will conclude. So, I have heard that yours is a reputed institute of Chandigarh, and so I am keen in knowing more about the institute. Your early response will help me a lot in taking quick decision. After this, I change from the next line, I note down thanking you, then yours truly, Hardeep Singh. Now this is the format according to which we all must practice writing a letter of enquiry. Kindly go through this letter again and again. If you have any doubt, you may ask me. Now for your practice, this is a question. You are Amit or Amrita, the sports instructor of Doon Public School, Ramnagar. You want to purchase cricket kits in bulk for your sports department. Write a letter of inquiry to Gagan Sports, New Delhi, asking for the price list and discount offered. Children, I expect all of you to solve this question in your notebook. After you note down the first letter that I have done it already for you. You need to do this on your own. Click a picture of it and send it to me personally on WhatsApp. I will go through all of them. Just make sure to write down your name, along with the photograph, so that your name, class and section, so that I'll be able to know you belong to which section. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.